Do you know our brain has two types of memory storage? One is short-term memory storage and the other is long-term memory storage. Your name, your father's name and the thing you don't forget is saved in long-term memory storage, and the thing that you have studied a little while ago is saved in short-term memory storage. So for this reason you will forget it tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. So if you want to get saved vocabulary in long term memory storage, what should you do? You should use spaced repetition and active recall method for saving vocabulary in long term memory storage. If you don't know this method, you should search it on Google, you will find it easily. And you should also immerse yourself in English language by reading, writing and meaningful conversation.